Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. Today I bring for you an absolutely delightful dessert. This quick and exotic dessert will leave you surprised by its simplicity and completely enamored by its exoticness. There are 2 steps in making this. We boil and reduce 2 cups of milk in a saucepan. We need to reduce this to half its size. Once reduced, you add 2 teaspoons of sugar and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. In another pan, take 3 cups of water, heat it, add 4 teaspoons of sugar to this. Ten to 12 strands of saffron or Kheer. Continue heating till the sugar dissolves and the saffron releases its color and fragrance. Now to this, add 2 teaspoons full of Agar or China grass powder. China grass or Agar is a vegetarian gelatin made from seaweed, colorless, tasteless, and is also a great appetite suppressant. You get this in multiple forms and it dissolves very quickly. Once this is dissolved, take the saucepan off the heat, cool it, and then pour it in a mold or a small glass. I used a shot glass. Let this chill and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. You will see it will come out as a fantastically flavored jelly. We are now ready to assemble this. In a glass, add the chilled reduced milk as a base and then simply slide the set flavored China grass jelly on the reduced milk. Garnish with a rose petal and serve cold. As you go through this dish, you will find layers of absolutely delightful experiences. Hope you guys like it. Cheers.